Find the density of a material which has a mass of 1.25 pounds. See the picture below. This material you see, it has the shape of a sphere. Okay? Now, what's okay, yes, this is a sphere. And what else the problem is giving me? It's giving me the radius
It's
of the
giving
sphere.
the mass too.
Okay? It's giving me the mass. Yes, that's the main given in the problem. But also it's giving me in the picture.
Make
It's
sure
giving
we
me
copy that.
of course. I always send you the whiteboard. So in this moment, if you just want to focus in the class, just focus in the class. If you are smart enough to focus in the class and write what is in the whiteboard at the same time, you can do it. But I always send the whiteboard at the end of the day. So don't worry, okay? Don't be stressed thinking that you have to copy and stop paying attention. No, don't worry. You can do both things. Okay, so in this exercise, this is a sphere that has a radius of 2 inches. That's the radius, 2 inches. Okay, so you can leave the formula like that, or you can just write your givens. If you write your givens, you also make sure to include the mass. The mass of this sphere is 1.25 pounds. Okay, and I know the radius of this shape, that is 2.5, no, 2 inches, sorry, 2 inches. Now, what is the problem asking me to find?
The density.
It's asking me to find the density. So my unknown in this is going to be density. Okay? Find the density. That is the instruction. Okay? Find the density, which means this is the unknown. So unknown is density. Now, what do we know about density? We know that density is equal to, that's the main equation. Density is equal to mass divided by the volume. Okay? Or just m over b. Now, remember that the mass needs to be expressed in kilograms. And remember that the volume needs to be expressed in cubic meters. So those must be the units for density. Now, in the first step, what should I do in my first step?
Convert from pounds to
Convert.
kilograms.
Aha. Okay, I want to say something. In the first step, what we do, we analyze if we have to do conversions. Okay? So in this first step, are there conversions to be done? Do we need to perform a conversion?
We need to do
Yes.
conversions.
We need to do 2 conversions. Aha. What is the first conversion that we need to do?
Pounds to kilograms and inches to cubic meters.
That is good, okay? Inches to meters, not to cubic meters. I'll tell you what that is. So, pounds to kilograms and inches to meter. So we say the mass in this problem is 1.25 pounds. What is the conversion factor between pounds and kilograms?
1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds.
1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds. You write them in opposite positions, so pounds and pounds can be cancelled, okay? So 1.25 divided by 2.2. Ay, Dios.
It will be 0.57 rounded already.
Okay, 0.57 kilograms. Okay. Now the other conversion is going to be the radius. Okay, the radius of the sphere is given to us in inches. You can leave it in inches, but in the end, you need to express the density in kilograms per cubic meter. So you better do the conversion from this moment. So you say radius is equal to 2 inches. Now, what is the conversion factor between inches and meters?
1 meter is 39.37 inches.
1 meter, 39.37 inches. Make sure your inches and inches are in opposite sides so they can be cancelled. Oh my God. Okay, so how many meters are those? 0 point? Do you get the same answer as me? No, sorry.
Miss, I think that you wrote
39.37.
32.37.
39.37. Do you get the same answer as me?
Yes.
So only 2 decimal places. Okay, the next number is 0, so I don't need to round. The next number is a 0, so I don't need to round. Okay, because I don't need to round, this is going to be my final answer. And this is in meters. Now, the second step is we need to perform what? We need to get what? To find density, I need to know the mass in kilograms and the volume in cubic meters. Do I know the volume? Do I know the volume?
No, but we can find it out.
We don't know the volume, but the volume is given as a formula, and we can use the formula to get the volume. So the second step is get the volume. So here the formula is given to us as volume of a sphere is equal to, I'm gonna copy it here, it's equal to 4/3 pi radius raised to the third power. Okay? So all we need to do is use your givens, okay? So the volume of the sphere is equal to, you can just write sphere directly, okay? It's equal to 4/3 times pi times the radius. The radius already converted to meters. That is 0.05 meters. And all this is raised to the third power. So how are you going to do this in your calculator? As I told you, everything in the top multiplies. Okay? Everything in the top multiplies. So in your calculator, you will multiply 4 times pi, yes, that's pi, times 0.05 raised to the third power.
Miss,
Then
I don't have pi.
you don't have pi. Wait. Wait. Yes. That is, what calculator is that? 82ms? Wait a second. I'm going to do a magic trick. Not really. Okay, I'm just going to copy and paste a picture of a calculator. So in your calculator, for those who have this calculator, that is the 82ms, just press
Mine is like the
shift and then this key. Shift that key. Okay.
Miss, can you move the presentation like up, please? More, please. More.
Guys, did you get the same answer as me? Guys, did you get the same answer as me?
Yes.
Okay. If you did not, let me know after the class is over so I can help you with your calculator. So, the volume of a sphere gives us 0.05 0, 0, 0,
Means
52.
it gives me the same as you, but without the first zero.
Without the first 0.
No, the first one, yeah, but the other one that is 0, 0, 0, it doesn't appear.
Vamos a ver. 0.05 raised to the third power times pi times 4 divided by 3. I did it again and I got the same answer. 0.00052.
Yeah, no, I got it. It's that I was missing a zero.
Okay. Okay. So this is the volume, and all I need to do is, remember, you are raising also this meter to the third power, so the final unit is going to be cubic meters. Cubic meters, okay? So M to the third power, those are cubic meters. That's the step for volume. But we haven't finished because the instruction says find the density. So we don't know the density. So that is going to be the third step. That is to find the density. Let's make sure that we have everything we need. Density is equal to mass divided by volume. The mass is already converted in kilograms, so it's okay. The volume is already in cubic meters, so it's okay. All we need to do is apply the formula. So we say density equals mass divided by volume. The mass in kilograms, okay? The mass in kilograms is 0.57 kilograms. And the volume already converted to cubic meters. And the volume is 0.0005 cubic meters. So 0.57 divided by 0.0005. Did you get the same answer as me? 1,140. Did you get the same answer as me? Guys?
Yes. Yes, is correct.
Okay. And the units
Yes.
that we have to write are kilograms up and cubic meter below. So kilograms are gonna be written here in the top and cubic meters below. Now this is our final answer, so I'm gonna put it in a box. From this exercise, is there a step that you want me to do again? Remember that the formula of volume, I will provide it to you. The day of the quiz is going to be there, okay, in your quiz. It's going to be projected in your quiz. And the formula is going
We
to
had to
be...
memorize the formula of volume.
No, I will give it to you in the quiz, okay? I will give you the shape that you will use, and I will give you the formula, just like I've been doing so far. On Monday, I gave you the formula for cube and for prism, and today I gave it to you for a sphere. I will give you the formula. From this exercise, do you want me to explain something more? Did you understand all the exercise? You can write in the chat if you have a doubt. You can write in the chat if you still have a doubt. Well, from the homework, do you have a doubt in any of the exercises from the homework?